So today we will paint and learn pets. This is a dog. Wow! Biscuit color. Please subscribe. Brown color. Ready. This is a cow. Wow!
Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock,
Red color.
bear sat by the clock.
Ready. Let's color a cat. Cats are so cute. Wow! I like cats so much. I want to paint cat to the pink color. Wow! It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Sky blue color.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck 1, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock struck
Red color.
away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
That's all. Goodbye to the next video.